Hi, welcome to the Magic of Math, where today we're going to answer a standardized math test question where we are asked to compare decimals. Here's our question. Which of the following show a correct comparison? Select the 3 correct answers. I'm going to ask you to pause and solve now. Come back and hit play when you're ready to check your work. Welcome back. So let's be clear, we're looking for 3 correct answers. We have 6 answer choices to pick from, and we're picking 3, and we're looking for a correct comparison. So when you compare values, we use the symbols less than and greater than. So looking at our values here, we have decimals that are to the rounded or to the thousandths place. We have the ones, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. And both of these are the same values. We're comparing 3 and 372 thousandths to 3 and 381 thousandths. Noticing that A and B are comparing the same number values. Because both have 3 in the ones column, we're just going to compare their decimal values. So we know that we have the values 372 and 381 thousandths. So when we look at this, we can compare them just as we would compare the number 372 and 381. And we know that 372 is less than 381, so therefore we know that answer choice A is correct. Now let's look at choices C and D. Noticing here that we have 3 and 381 thousandths, as we do in D, and the second value is 3 and 368 thousandths, just like in D. So here we can do the same thing and compare the decimal part of the number, 381 thousandths and 368 thousandths. Just as we would compare a number 381 to 368, we know that 381 is larger than 368, giving us that answer D is the correct out of these two choices. Now, if we're going to look at the next two, E, we understand that we have the same value here, 3 and 368 thousandths, and then 3 and 372 thousandths. So let's do the same thing. We're going to compare the values 368 and 372. And we know that 368 is less than 372, therefore our correct answer choice here would be E. There you have it. Our 3 correct answer choices are A, D, and E. I thank you for joining me today at the Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you'll come back again tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up and a comment, and I hope you have a great day.